So the Scrambler Cafe Racer is getting delivered today, and my guys have already reached Calcutta yesterday in the afternoon. They got it packed, sent me all the pictures, everything is ready, papers, keys, everything was done. So they left somewhere around 11 p.m. in the night from Calcutta. Right now it's 7:30 a.m. They're going to reach in next 30 minutes or so. And I'm just heading to my studio right now to get my camera gear, audio gear, GoPros, everything set and do this unboxing video. So by the time I reach the studio, it's going to take next 5 or 7 minutes. So I just need to give you a few tips which you need to keep in mind if you are getting your bike shipped from one location to others. So basically, for example, I got my bike, I'm based in Bhubaneswar, and I got my bike from Calcutta. So what I normally do is I pay them for the temporary registration. They normally charge somewhere around 10,000 for the temporary registration, and I get the insurance done. So I basically get the insurance done, send the insurance papers to them on email. Temporary registration is done, insurance is done, invoice, everything is done, paperwork is ready. So what you need to do is you need to ask those showroom guys to ship one key with the bike and all the papers and the original papers and the second key in courier to your address. So basically one set comes with your guy who is getting the bike and the other set comes in courier. That is the most important thing which you need to keep in mind, because while you are getting your bike from one state to other, you need to show all those papers and the invoice, all those GST details to the entry gate officials. If you do not have the papers intact, they are not going to allow you through the entry gate. So those are the two things which you need to keep in mind if you are getting your bike shipped from one state to other state. So yeah, so I'm just reaching my studio right now. I'm gonna get the camera gear and then leave for my warehouse office where we're going to do the unboxing. I just wanted to get this done early morning so there is no rush and I can just reach office, reach the studio, get my stuff done, reach home, then leave for office by 10 a.m. So basically everything is set for the day. I hope I'm going to get time today to edit this video and publish, not sure. But yeah, we're gonna see it. And there are a few other things which you need to keep it ready before you do the unboxing. For example, every time I have to do a bike unboxing of mine, I carry few things. One huge toolbox, because you never know, the cage, the crate has some kind of maybe wooden or the metal, or yeah, so basically you have to use the toolbox and you will be needing it for sure. Second thing is you need to have the funnel for fueling. Third thing which you need to carry is fuel, at least 1 or 2 or 3 liters of petrol, because the showroom do not put fuel in your bike. So you need to carry fuel, put the fuel, reach a fuel station, fill it, then go home. So I guess I got a phone call from my guy. Hello.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ରସୁଲଗଡ଼ କ୍ରସ୍ କଲି।
ହଁ ହଁ ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି DLF ରୁ ହେଇକି ମୈତ୍ରୀ ବିହାର ଯାଉଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଁ। All right, so they have reached, crossed Rasulgarh. Now coming to my office. I need to hurry. Hey, side off. So rasta re sabu hero. And there are 3 more things which you should not be forgetting: your helmet, jacket, and the gloves. So I have to reach office, get the bike, ride to home, give the car to my guy, he'll be riding it back to home. So yeah, pretty much set. I normally keep everything ready in a note, like things to be done, things needed, paperwork, fuel, toolbox, everything has to be in place. I cannot afford mistakes. No way.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak and you know that you can't take another day, well, that's not okay. Would you never go back this road? You never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like
just took the delivery of this Ducati Scrambler 2018 Cafe Racer. It's around 8 a.m. right now. Man, it feels just so small and so lightweight. It doesn't even feel like 190 kg. Wow. After riding S1000, it feels like you're riding a baby. Dude. So, good little tell pakaili. Fuel low dekhuji. Oh, I love this position of the Cafe Racer. Wow. But I'm going to miss the quick shifter a lot. I haven't rode a bike without quick shifter since last 4 years, I guess. The only thing I'm going to miss is the quick shifter because I haven't rode a bike without quick shifter since last 4 years, I guess. Oh, fuel low, just have to reach the fuel station and fill the fuel, then reach home. The handling is amazing. It looks small, lightweight, and the sound is a bit nimble. Doesn't sound like a dhota awaz, so nice. It comes with the Tomic Noni pre-installed, so you don't have to install an Akrapovich or anything else. It's almost ready. Just get the bike, ride, have fun. Love those two mirrors. I always miss those mirrors since my 48 days. It looks so retro. In the city, you cannot go beyond first gear. I'm still riding on the first gear past 5 kilometers. Okay, so we just reached the fuel station. Gotta go fill the fuel and then we'll leave for home. So, kuadu loko aschandi thik nahi. Rasta gote moniso gote adu. Full. Speed to? So, ki aram kire. Emti aram re gadre basi chaleile. How S1000 bahari oni. The position, the handling, the sound, dude, worth the money. I feel the brakes could have been better, but maybe during the servicing they will get it fixed. Since it's just imported and kept in the box, so maybe that is the reason. I'm facing a bit of braking, but that should be fine during the servicing. Oh, oh, oh,